Here we have the Magic Clasp. It's a 4-piece value pack, and it comes with all of this, and it connects your necklaces with ease, or bracelets. It easily attaches, and all you do is clasp them to both sides of your necklaces, and then you just bring them near, and it connects to magnets. And it has a built-in safety lock, so it's definitely not going to go anywhere. It's very strong. And then I'm going to demonstrate and show you just how easy it is. All you do is pull it apart. So if you have short fingernails, you never have to sit here and worry about fumbling to try and open the clasp at all. This thing is genius. And again, here we go. You just place it around your neck and clasp it together. And it's not going to go anywhere. With that nice safety lock. And there you go. There you have it, the Magic Clasp.